What's up, guys? Mike Puma here. If you have not done so already, smash that subscribe button for us. We really appreciate it. So in today's Marketing Monday, I'm going to go over exactly how to use Lumen5.com, which uses AI technology to basically allow you to take any video from across the web, any link, anything, and turn it into a really cool video that you can edit, add music to, and share. It's really cool. So stay tuned, watch this video, and I really appreciate it. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks. Hi, I'm Mike Puma, a serial entrepreneur who started my first business at 17 years old. I've gone on to market and sell everything from sporting goods to real estate. I love the process of building a brand in today's digital world. Today, I get the privilege of helping hundreds of agents every month navigate the digital landscape. I look forward to being able to help you too. All right, what's up, guys? So as I said in the intro, today I'm going to walk you through how to use Lumen5.com. So Lumen 5 is it's free, it's very easy to use, and it allows you to essentially take any article, website, link, anything from the web and turn it into a really cool video within minutes, and it's all 100% free. Now, they do have some paid stuff if you want some advanced features, which I'll show you here in a few minutes, but I use it every single day, and I use the free version. I think you'll find it super useful to create content that you can then post on your different social channels. So here's how it works. Come in here, it's free to set up your account. You're gonna come in, you got your search bar, okay? Now on the search bar, you can essentially type in any topic you want. So you type in a link, or you can paste a link here. Today, actually this morning, I saw some really cool article actually about concrete stamping, which I thought was pretty cool, and we actually created a video off of it. So I'll show you how this works. So let's say I saw that like I did this morning, and you wanted to find an article on it. So I thought this was really cool. So this city is actually taking poems and having people and artists in their local community create poems and then actually stamping them into concrete along their sidewalks, just as a way of bringing kind of art to the community and kind of dressing up their sidewalks throughout their city, which I thought was really cool. So this is just a really cool piece of content. Again, I always push that content should be engaging your audience, not all about just what you do in real estate and everything else. So I like this type of vibe, but I think the point is I'll show you how to do it on this article. There's millions of articles on here. You can do it on whatever topic you want, but it's very easy to do is the point. So all you got to do now is click on this article. Next thing you're going to decide here is, where are you posting this? If you're going to post this into Instagram stories, and we're going to select this guy over here because it's going to be vertical, which means it's optimizing the video for that size, which is Instagram stories. And then that's 15 seconds in length. So you will need to make sure you stay under that when creating the video, which we're going to do here in a second. This one here is landscape. Obviously that works as well. However, I think I tend to use the square because I like the square. It fills up the entire screen horizontally on Instagram and Facebook feed. So that's what I use most common. That's what we'll use here today. Your next thing here is you're going to pick essentially how you want it to look, the text and everything in the video. If you hover your mouse over it, it will actually show you a brief description of kind of what that will look like within the video. Personal preference, right? So I'll just go ahead and pick this one for this video. So now, once you're in here, like I said, it's using artificial intelligence to find imagery and video that goes along with the text that it's reading within there, but you have complete customization. So I don't like a lot of these pictures. I like some of them, like that one's pretty cool, but some of this doesn't fit exactly, right? It's not perfect. So you can customize it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. You also can pick what sections of the article you want in your story, and you can delete any of these, right? So first thing it does, give you a title. Obviously get breaking news and look, I don't want that. So all I have to do is click this and click it again, and it's gone. Okay. So basically it's just now picking parts of the article here that I want in my video. So all I have to do is I like this. Yep, sidewalk project. Cool. I'm going to leave that. Leave that. We can leave that. We can leave that. Maximum line. Yeah, do you need that? We could leave it, I guess, according to the news release. That's fine. And I think that's good. So I don't really care about the entries. I'm not actually entering the contest, and my local market's not going to enter the contest. So I'll go ahead and delete this out. Doesn't fit what I want, and I don't need to worry about the deadline. Okay, so I delete that out. Now I want to go back. I've got the article the way that I want. Now let's say I'm missing something, and I say, you know what? I really want this part of the article. Again, all I have to do is hover over it, and I click it, and it automatically will add that piece into my video. There it goes. Okay. Then if you decide, oh, you know what, I don't like the position of it, all you have to do is drag it up to wherever you want it. Okay. Very, 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 very simple to use and do. Now, I actually don't want that a part of my video, so I'm going to delete that slide back out. All right, so now let's say we've got the piece of the article that we want. We've got the video. Now it's a matter of changing out the media. So now all I need to do is click on the media tab here, and instantly I'm going to have access to a ton of free media. If you have your own, all you're going to do is click this upload and upload that media in. You can upload pictures, video, whatever you want. Can get uploaded right into it. So for this though, let's just say, this is in California, so maybe I want pictures of California or video of California. So I'm going to go ahead here and type in California, enter, and let's see what it has for California. So I can kind of scroll through and say, all right, does any of this kind of fit what I want? This is a pretty cool picture here. So maybe I want this picture, and it's actually a little video. Maybe I want that video instead of this one. So sorry, my computer's running a little slow here. I just drag it over, drop it on the slot that I want. And in a second here, when this loads, you're going to see it pulls that image right in and makes it very, very, very easy to customize it. So that'll pop, there it goes, populate that. And so then I can scroll down more on my video. Say, all right, I don't like the news vans. All right, this is California-ish, so I'm going to pull this one over and drop it here. Get rid of these news vans, so we'll let that populate. Okay, and then let's say I don't like that, so we'll do this California coastline, and we'll put that here. Again, you can upload. You guys can get creative with this, but I think point being here in this particular video, all I want to show you is how easy it is to actually upload and put in here. So, all right. So now let's say I don't really like that. So let's just grab this and put it here. And then I think we'll be good. You can always add in your own outro by clicking the plus button here. If you wanted to put in like your own logo or something, perfectly up to you, very easy to do. On any of these slides, if I don't like the way that something is, so let me just show you how that works. So if I just click on it, okay, these things all pop up. I can change the positioning of the text. So let's say I don't like the text there and I want it down at the bottom. You could do that and it'll move it down there. You want it centered, you can center it. So again, completely customizable, very easy to do. If you want to highlight different words, you can literally highlight, we could highlight sidewalks as an example. And if I click highlight over here, it will turn it to highlight color. So very easy. Again, very easy to customize, guys. We're doing all this in literally seconds, right? So now let's say I want to add some music. So I click on the music tab. There's tons of free music in here. This is about California. So Maybe we just want something that's got that vibe and I can listen to it all. So let's just, it doesn't really matter. We'll pick this one. So we'll select it. There we go. And it's going to add it to the video automatically. And then, oh, there it goes. Perfect. Pause that. And we're going to hit finish. And now when we hit finish, it's going to render the video. Now, again, as I mentioned earlier, there are some paid versions. So if I want it in higher definition, I can do that. It's going to look worse on here than it actually ends up coming. As far as the blurriness of it, it actually is very clear once it's all done. So it's as simple as that. So now when I hit finish, it will render the video. It takes a few minutes. It says it takes 10. It actually tends to take way less than that. And then it gives you the ability to download it right from there. Just play this one real quick. You're going to see here in a second, we added our own little outro at the end. There it is. That's it. So again, guys, 5-10 minutes, maybe a little bit more if you were going to, going to add in a bunch of your own video or pictures. And then again, you can upload it right to Facebook, or you can click download and this will put it right on your computer. And then you can upload it into the platform of your choice. So hope that helps, guys. We'll be back. We appreciate you guys following us and watching our content. We really do. You can watch all of it at beggins3.com, or check us out on YouTube and hit that subscribe button. Again, we really appreciate it. I'll be back next week with another Marketing Monday. Thanks so much.